have a bonus for you. When you create an article using Make Media, you automatically get social media posts. For this video, I'm going to show you how you get those social media posts, and I'm going to switch into my marketing hat. By the way, if you didn't see the videos on how you create the article itself, just go to makemedia.ai, click on Learn, and all of the videos will be right there. Now let's go grab the social media content that Make Media already created for you. Go to your dashboard and click on Completed Content. This will take you to the article that's drafted for you. And once you click on it, you'll see the full article and then this link up at the top, Social Posts. Click on that and you'll have the posts ready to copy and paste. Now you can make as many edits as you'd like to them. You can see in this particular one, I could copy it. I'm not so crazy about the bottom text here where it says share your experiences below. So I'll just remove that when I post it. But on these other ones, I really like them a lot. And so I'm going to go ahead and keep these ones as is. Each of these posts is designed to have a hook and a closing so that it gets people engaged, gets them to look at your full post as well as try to interact with you. I recommend posting on LinkedIn several times a week. The more you post, the more people recognize your expertise. All of this plays a role in elevating your brand, especially if you're an executive in your business. Go have fun.